Hi, I'm Benjamin with NAZ Solar Electric, and today we're looking at the Briggs & Stratton, formerly known SimpliPHI 6.6 stackable modular battery solution. Each module is 6.6 kilowatts at 51.2 volts. They're IP67 rated, so you can install them inside or outside. They have like interlockable connectors to mate them together. And the controller up top here controls the whole stack, aggregates all the communication, and feeds the inverter on this side. They just released a new controller that has battery connections on the left and the right. So if you have two small inverters and you want to parallel them, you can do one on each side instead of having to do a big bus bar system. A stack of these, like these three right here, we got a total of almost 19 kilowatts of storage. This is a very slim battery coming in a little over 6.5 inches in depth, allowing us to take up very little floor space. Each controller can handle up to 3 modules. And when we have 3 modules on a controller, we provide about 270 amps worth of surge current to the inverter. So there are times where you're going to want smaller stacks and multiple controllers to provide the peak current that the system needs. So this Solis inverter I have paired with, I can't fully surge it and fully load it right now with one stack. If I was able to do 2 stacks of 2, I would have better results. 6.6 modular battery weighs 125 pounds, so it's practical for 2 people to lift, mount, and install. It's a power-coated steel finish, giving us the IP65 rating when we have it all stacked up in a complete system. Here on this side of the inverter, we have the EnergyTrak from Briggs & Stratton. This is the remote monitoring device used to monitor all of our stacks, all of our modules, remotely update them. And if you have a Briggs & Stratton smart generator that also uses their same platform, you can have both the generator and the batteries all in one app. I like having this EnergyTrak paired with a Solis inverter or a SolarArc that has its own monitoring, because I can get module level data, I can see any faults or alarms, and if for any reason my inverter monitoring platform goes down, I can still see health of my batteries using Briggs & Stratton's monitoring platform. Briggs & Stratton and Solis are both outdoor rated, so if you're installing these outside, you're going to want to use some watertight conduit or flex like this. The base that comes with the SimpliPHI 6.6 stackable batteries can either be floor mounted or wall mounted. So if you're in a flood zone and you need 10 inches worth of distance from the ground to the bottom of the batteries so that your flood doesn't damage your solar system, you can elevate the system up using the floor base that is also a wall-based mount. We're excited to be able to offer the Briggs & Stratton 6.6 modular battery solution. If you have any questions or would like to purchase it, give us a call, reach out, and we'll be able to help you.